The given pie chart represents the distribution of proteins in the parts of the human body. This is a pie chart, and these are the distribution of proteins in various parts of the body: muscles, skins, bones, hormones, enzymes, and others. That is the remaining part. Okay. What is the ratio of distribution of proteins in muscles to that of the proteins in bones? Distribution of proteins in muscles to that of the distribution of proteins in bones. Okay. This is not a probability problem. Remember this. So required ratio equals to proteins in muscles upon proteins in bones. Okay. What is proteins in muscles? 1/3, 1 upon 3. What is proteins in bones? 1/6. Now this you will have to solve. The formula is A upon B, the whole upon C upon D. It should be A upon B, the whole upon C upon D equals to AD upon BC. D comes over here and BC come down. So similarly solve this. 6 into 1 upon 3 into 1. So 6 upon 3. So 2:1. That is the required answer. If the question would have been find the proteins, distribution of proteins in hormones, enzymes and other proteins, then what would you have done? See here, in that case total is 1. 1 minus 1/3, 1/10 and 1/6. See this, I will solve it. If the proteins in hormones, enzymes and other proteins is asked, then 1 minus the total of all these three. 1/3 plus 1/10 plus 1/6. LCM is 30. So 3 tens are 10. 10 threes are 3. 6 fives are 5 upon 30. Solve this. 18/30. 31s are minus 18. 12/30. Then 2/5. That is the proteins in hormones, enzymes, etc. Whatever it is. But that is not asked in the question. It was just an additional part given to you. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies.